We're going to be talking about the basic on Forex. So the basic is very simple because on the basic we are not analyzing the chart, so we are not analyzing the market. Neither are we placing trade, but we just want to understand some of the basic about Forex. So this session is currently recording this section, so which is after this section. I want to drop video on the Telegram group. So I will try to cover from at least from 1 to 5 or probably 1 to 6 if possible, because we are going to rush this beginner aspect because it's not something that they need to is on like spending much time on it, because all the things that are currently simple, because this thing, apart from maybe lot size and maybe calculation of lot size and take of it, maybe that is where you might find something difficult, or maybe creating of accounts and maybe linking your account to MT5. Basically, that's where you might find it difficult. But if you are used to online business normally, so those things might not really hard you to understand. So first of all, what is Forex? If you go to Google, you will see different definitions concerning Forex. But the Forex market simply means that trading one currency pair against another currency pair, which is you are trading a currency pair against one currency pair. Now you can see that the foreign exchange or a forex is a decentralized marketplace for trading of the world currency. If you should see some other definition on Google, that forex, also known as foreign exchange or FS, is the global market where currency are traded, which is it is the largest financial market in the world. So you can say that Forex is also known as foreign exchange or FX, which is the global market where currency are traded. It is the largest financial market in the world, in the sense that because on the forex market we are having daily trillions of dollars on a daily volume in the forex market. So that's why they call it one of the largest markets so far. Because on a crypto market we're having about 1 point something trillion, I be 1 point something billion. But on the forex market we're having trillions of dollars on a daily basis. So you can see that you finding yourself whereby trillions of dollars are passing each of the day, definitely there's a big opportunity for you to make money inside. So that just the definition of forex. It's a foreign exchange, which is a global currencies are traded, which is it's either you are trading country currency against another country currency. Let's say for example, maybe you can be trading GBP against USD. Now GBP stand for pounds, while USD stand for dollar. Now you're trading GBP against USD, and also you can still be trading CAD, which is CAD. You can still be trading CAD against USD as well. Now let me just go to my trading view so that I will show you what I mean by trading currency against another currency. So that you can trading Europe against USD, GBP against USD, USD against JPY. Now all these are different currency pair. This is British pounds against dollar. This is Australian dollar against dollar. We have a different country. This is New Switzerland dollar against, just like that. So you are trading one particular country currency against the other currency. Let me go to my board. Let me use it to explain. So, like I said before, you can be trading example GBP, GBP against USD. Now, GBP is the base pair. GBP is the base pair. So, whenever the market is buying, it simply means that GBP, like whenever the market is going up, seeing GBP is the base pair. So, whenever the market is going up, it simply means that at that particular times is strong at that particular level. So GBP here is a base pair. Also, we also have U USD. We have USPY. So all these that are different currency. Like Forex is a global market where currency are traded. It's either you are buying or you are selling. So two things. It's either you are there buying or you are there selling. So it's either you are placing a buy trade or you are placing a sell trade. So it's either you choose one of the two. Either you are selling or you are buying. So that is what they just mean concerning forex. What is a broker? Now, in order for you to participate in the forex market, you must have a broker account. In order for you to participate on the forex market. Now, the broker enable you to deposit a fund because the broker is where you deposit your money. Like example, now I send you two link. I send you two website. I send you Deriv and also FBS. Now Deriv and FBS they are broker. They are broker. And the broker is the forex, which is the forex broker is a financial service company that provide traders access to a platform for buying and selling foreign currency. So you can see that a broker, which is a forex broker, is a financial service company that provide traders. Traders now is me and you. They provide us access in order for us to be able to sell and buy in the forex market. So the broker now is a place whereby you can create an account, put your money. So then by you creating an account and put your money now, they have given you access to participate on the forex market. Now you can either buy and sell a particular pair. So that is what I mean about broker. So broker, like I said, is a financial, or you can say broker is a financial intermediary that matches counter to a transaction without being a party to it in a forest. So we can still say that like broker also kind of connect us, which is the broker are third party that connect our trade to the foreign market because they are the people that will link our trade to the foreign market. So that is where like the broker come from. Like they are the one that like activate our trade, like they link our trade to the forex market. They are also the people that we can deposit our money on and also withdraw and all that. So that is what they tell me about broker. Now here number three, we say okay, how to choose a broker. Now, in this forex game, there are some things that you need to understand before you can decide that okay, this is the broker account. This is the broker that I want to use because we have different type of broker. If we should go to Google, for example, search for top top 100 forex broker. So we're going to see different type of brokers because we have different type of brokers in the market. So you can see, let's see list of brokers. Now we have Avatki, we have Xness, we have Just Market, we have S. You can see that we have HFS, we have FBS, we have OTA, we have FP Market, just like that. So we have different type of brokers. Yes, the right. So we have different type of broker. Now, one thing in order for you to choose a broker, one thing you must need to understand. Let me show you something here. The regulation. If they are highly regulated, because why there are some brokers that do manipulation in the market to manipulate traders to make sure say that traders loss. So one thing in order for you to choose a particular broker, first of all, you need to look the regulation, how the broker is being regulated, like what and what is being regulating the broker. So that is one of the most important thing, regulation. If the broker is being regulated, so that in case of maybe you have issue in your account, one or two things or like that, you can be able to soon those brokers there. So that's just it. So one thing you need to understand the regulation of the broker, how the broker is being regulated. Let me allow this person in. You need to understand the regulation of the broker, how the broker is being regulated. Now, in terms of the drive, let's search for the drive. I think I see it just now. Now, the drive is one of the best broker I've been using so far. Like you can see that the drive, they are highly regulated. You can see they are highly regulated. So the drive is one of the broker which I've been using so far in terms of, because they are the only one that have VIX, which is volatility index base, and also they also trade the forex market as well on their platform. So you can trade this because you can also trade forex. So which not what we are talking about currently. So one thing you need to understand before choosing a broker, first of all, is regulation. How is broker is being regulated? Like is the regulation very tight and all that? Why the other thing again that you need to check is the deposit, like a deposit. If 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 for example, maybe as a small trader like you, example, maybe your deposit is maybe like you want to start with $50 or you want to start with $20, like the deposit. So you need to check one thing again, the deposit of the broker. So which is not kind of compulsory. The other thing again is to check their payment method. Like me, I love using cryptocurrency and perfect money. So I will need to check if the broker, if they do accept perfect money or cryptocurrency. Basically, I prefer cryptocurrency based on the rate and based on like I can be able to sell it anytime. So you need to check the payment method. If they do accept like the payment method that maybe do work on your country or do work on yourself, or maybe they do accept the currency which is on a deposit and withdraw. If they do accept like the currency that you usually use for your day-to-day activity, maybe your day-to-day activity, maybe on your deposit and some other aspect. I've mentioned three now. The fourth thing that you need to check is the spread, which I'm going to explain spread, because spread is also very important in terms of your trade. Because spread is that example, maybe you are a scalper, you are not a long time term trader, like you do usually scalp on 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. So you need to understand spread, because there are some brokers that they have one pip spread. There are some brokers that have 2 pip spread. There are some brokers that have just like that 3 pip spread. There are some brokers whereby when the first market open on Monday morning, the spread is usually as in wide. So these are the things that you need to consider before choosing a particular broker. Before choosing a particular broker, that okay, this is the broker that I'm going to use to be to be placing my trade and all that. So I think on the outline we have spread. Let's see, yeah, what is spread? Which I'm going to explain, like give more details about spread. You need to understand spread, like how the spread work and just like that. So let's go further. So next thing is how to create an account. So create an account is very simple. So it's not something that they need to emphasize. And just,
Yeah,
just
yeah,
just by you creating a normal account on a normal site. So it's very
yeah.
easy. So the only challenge that you might encounter is maybe after you have created your account, maybe how to link your account to your MT5. So let me just explain that. Let's say, for example, maybe you create an account on Derive. Now, this one explanation on one broker cover the rest other broker because they are simple. They are simple. Let's say, for example, this is Derive, and maybe let me log in my account. Maybe I've done creating an account on Derive. Then I want to log in my account now. Now, because they are kind of easy. The Derive or broker, they are the same procedure. Unless that maybe you are not smart in terms of online stock, because they are the same thing. Like there's nothing different. Just like when we have different bank, but they are the same thing. Maybe GTB app might kind of look different from Access, but they are still doing the same thing. So they are just the same thing, but you're like maybe interface different and all that. Let me use another. Let me use the fresh account, or let me use. I think I have one. But let me use another account. The one that maybe there's no. Let me go with this. Okay. So now this is Derive. Now Derive platform is kind of differential from others based on Derive have different style of trading. They are into option trading. They also have static index. They are also into forex. So the platform might kind of confuse you. But the rest other forex broker they just focus on just one particular thing, which is forex. So I don't know if you are getting it. Like if we should go to FBS now, because I say that the FBS platform is kind of it will be different from the one of the Hive. Let me go to FBS and log in. So so this is FBS. So let me log in. So okay. Now say that this one now their interface is different. Like this one interface is different from the one of like now like the one now they're just basically on forex market. Just wait to create your MT5 account and log into your MT5 or create your MT4 account and log into your MT4. So in terms of the hive, they have different pattern of trading. Like this one now is option trading. If you go to here, like the hive trade, we will see the hive trade, we have the hive bot, we have smart trade, we have binary bot. You can see that they have different pattern of trading. But I think our major focus is the trade is the twin traders up. Let's see. So let's okay, let me just log in. Let me create 25 on the Drive and FBS and login. Now on the trader of you're gonna see most of all the things that the Hive are doing. They have Derive trade. Let me go to demo account because I will let me switch to demo account. Let me create it on demo account. So they have a Derive trade, binary bot, Derive go smart trade. Our major concern is CFD, which is where we have the MT5 like the financial and the swap fee like that. So on this derive, like I said before, I said derive have their own volatility index, which is basically on this derive. The why this financial means forex, like financial market, which is the forex market financial. Then this also come with like this one on this swap food demo. Like here they can see that they verify with forex, stock index, commodity, cryptocurrency, and syntactic index. Now this syntactic index is derived like particular own market on its own. So just like this one now is all in one. This one now is all in one. So this financial market now, let's create the financial market. It's still the same procedure. The way I will create the financial market, that also way I can also create this one also, this swap free demo. That also way I can also create this one as well. So it's the same procedure. Just going to click like get. When I click to get, then I'll put my password that I want to use. Let me put password that I want to use. So add account.
Okay, you are creating a new password here now.
I'm creating an MP5 account. I'm creating an
Okay,
MP5 account on the broker to continue. So I've created an
broker.
account now. Now this is my ID. Just for me to go to my MT5. Then go to my MT5. On here, I can see the I think if I click on open, I will see the information. Like the server is derived demo. This is my login ID and here's my password. So just going to go to my MT5, then I'll go to I think file. Then for file, I can go to file. I can go to open an account. Then I'll go to derive. Then I'll click on here. Then next. Then here now I'll put my login ID. So my login ID now is this is my login ID. I'll just copy it or I type it anywhere. Put my login ID, then my password, come to here also. Okay, my password I'm not typing, so no need. This Zoom session will soon end, so uh it's still end. So I'll just put my password. So let me put my password. So derive demo server, then finish. So let's see.
Incoming mail.
The account has login. The account has login. So I'll log in the Live account. So you can see that this is the balance $10,000 based on it's a demo account. So obviously you can see my screen. The account has login. So let's do the one of FBS. I think we're gonna stop on the one of FBS then. So it's still the same procedure. So what you need to do is finance. So finance, okay, sorry, not finance. I so I think from here to here, go to add, go to from here, go to add account. Click on add account. So add account, demo. Let's open a demo account because since we have not verified the account. So open an account. Open account. So here for here now you can see that on FBS they are strictly into Forex. Now you can choose to create on MT5 or you can choose to create on MT4, but we are going to create it on MT5. We choose the platform that we want to trade it